The difference between SEO and AEO. Welcome to our training on SEO versus AEO. Understand the fundamental differences between SEO and AEO. Learn the techniques used in SEO and AEO. Explore the importance of structured data and AEO. Identify best practices for optimizing content for both SEO and AEO. Let's dive into the core differences and strategies for SEO and AEO. Keyword research. SEO keywords are based on search patterns to boost visibility. How to conduct keyword research. Utilize tools to identify high-ranking keywords relevant to your audience. Incorporate these keywords strategically throughout your content. On-page optimization. Optimizing elements on your site improves SEO performance. How to optimize, ensure meta tags, headings, and content are targeted and compelling. Regularly update your content for relevancy and effectiveness. Structured data enhances AEO by helping search engines understand your content. How to implement. Use schema markup to define your content for search engines. Apply structured data to improve your chances of being selected for rich snippets. Content creation. AEO focuses on delivering answers quickly through concise content. How to create. Draft clear content answering user questions directly. Use formats that allow for quick retrieval, such as Q&A or bullet points. Now let's view some scenarios to understand practical applications. Consider a website that improved its visibility with effective SEO techniques. Reflect on how keyword optimization helped improve search rankings. Your action. Explore similar strategies for your site's improvement. Think of a business that utilized AEO to optimize content for voice search. Examine how they structured data and created direct answer content. Your action. Consider how you can adapt these insights into your content strategy. SEO aims for rankings, while AEO seeks direct answers. Diverse strategies are necessary for SEO and AEO. Structured data plays a vital role in AEO. Recognizing user intent is essential for both strategies. Please start implementing both SEO and AEO strategies on your sites for better visibility and engagement. Thank you for participating in our SEO versus AEO training session. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell.